The monitoring and research site, Zöbelboden, is located in Austria's largest contiguous forest area, the Kalkalpen National Park in Upper Austria. The remote location, with its minimal human impact and far away from air pollution sources, is home to a unique forest ecosystem. It's a huge Karst Catchment Area with near-natural mixed beech forests covering the steep slopes and spruce stands on the top of the mountain. Middle of these extensive forests, the Environment Agency Austria, supported by the Kalkalpen National Park and its landowner, the Austrian Federal Forests, operates the Zöbelboden measuring station. Since 1992, the monitoring site has proved itself as an essential contribution to international networks. While the original goal was to determine and predict the effects of air pollutants on the forest ecosystem, the focus has become a much broader one. Today, Zöbelboden also examines the impacts of climate change and extreme climatic events on the forest ecosystem, as well as temporal trends in biodiversity. Air and water quality, the substance flows of carbon, nitrogen, water, and energy balance. Hundreds of parameters are constantly measured and monitored with high-tech devices and sensors installed across the area, or by regular sampling. The results of these monitoring activities create a reliable database for political decision-makers to design and implement effective measures. As of today, Zöbelboden is equipped with 650 state-of-the-art measuring devices and sensors, an eddy covariance system for CO2 and water vapor fluxes, soil respiration auto-chambers, and an optical multi-parameter probe for measuring dissolved nitrogen and carbon. Technical and scientific staff is monitoring water quality and catchment runoff, deposition, litter fall, and soil water on a weekly basis. Meteorological parameters are continuously measured at a clearing station and above the forest canopy over decades. To gain detailed insights into the complex interdependencies between human activities and the environment, around 150 international researchers have been using and analyzing Zöbelboden's long-term data sets.
We could show here at Zöbelboden that dry years with low precipitation and long periods of drought affected the growth of trees.
Yeah, long-term data shows that the nitrogen deposition either exceeds the critical loads or is in the range of the critical loads. 80% of the nitrogen coming from air pollution is retained in the system.
Lichen diversity during the 25 years of observation decreased, and also rare species decreased. And on the other hand, the nitrophilous species, they increased. This is a clear sign of high nitrogen inputs to the forest ecosystem.
Our long-term database is key to improving common understanding of these complex processes. We deploy a highly skilled and motivated team to collaborate with environmental experts from around the world. The Environment Agency Austria is happy to provide researchers and institutions with access to Zöbelboden's infrastructure and datasets via DIMES SDR. The upcoming environmental challenges are complex. Let's talk about how to combine our resources, adapt our methods, and expand our common knowledge. The monitoring and research site Zöbelboden is part of the United Nations Integrated Monitoring Program, ICPIM, and the Long-Term Ecosystem Research Network, ELTA.